just gonna...
What a beautiful day in the Filipina desert farm. Is it recording right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Winter water wonderland.
Winter Wonderland. Winter Waterland.
It's a winter wonderland.
Right? It's falling on my face.
Oh, look at this one got not covered with snow.
Oh yeah. I think it's because
Onions.
your onion
My
and
kale.
kale.
It's covered with snow.
This is that desert winter kale.
Right?
And a desert winter dog. Oh.
Let's go there.
Nope.
Yeah. Chris.
Neat. Oh, this is the chimney you were talking about.
Yeah.
Neat.
With the snow.
Ah! Ow!
Snow fight!
I can't. You gave me the phone. Ow!
Snow fight!
It's stuck on me. Ow! This is not fair.
Snow fight!
Okay, here, hold this for me. I'll show you a snow fight.
Snow fight! Snow fight!
Ice fight.
Hey Chris, what's this?
I'm trying not to nail the phone.
Oh, my hand's frozen.
Your hand's cold. I got gloves. Ow. Don't eat the yellow snow. Ah.
See, good thing I bought this jacket.
Right?
Oh my God, it's cold. My hand's frozen.
Yeah, no more snowball. No more.
Oh, my hand's frozen.
Sorry, Mom, that didn't make you
Hey Chris.
Wait. Ah! Ah! Hey, Mom! Hold on. Hold on. Hey. Oh. Try to drop it on you. Ah. Yeah.
That's a good throw there.
That was, and it broke on me.
Oh, my hand's frozen.
Yeah.
Yikes.
Get your blue gloves from inside.
Oh yeah, those are waterproof.
Yeah, they're waterproof.
Yikes. Ow, it's cold. Damn, I need to get my...
Yeah, get your gloves.
Ow! My hand hurt. My fingers. My fingers is frozen.
All right, truce.
Hi, Zoe. Do you like the snow? No, no, don't come on me. Hi, Blue Dog.
Oh, Blue. Oh, Blue. Nikita.
Let me get my gloves. Where did my gloves go?
It's inside.
Where?
It's on the thing. I'll get it.
I don't go inside because you have it. Eliza get it.
At first, she had me holding my gloves and the phone, so I couldn't throw it back.
Do you want me to hold the phone so you guys
Yeah.
can hit each other?
Oh, look at that. Happy.
Happy Toyota. I'm gonna write Carmen on Carmen.
Oh, really? Carmen Fiesta, because we're pro at naming
Oh
things.
shit! I can't read.
New Year. Woo.
I know what you're after.
Spatula's gonna be one. I'll take this and throw it at Chris.
I got enough for both of you.
Can't do it sideways. Oops.
Oh my God! Nail me in the face! Ow!
My favorite thing is the dogs in the background watching, like, what the hell is going on.
Ah.
That's the thing when you're running, you have to throw in front of the person. Not...
You just hit the car again, Chris. Oh, they gotta restock their snowballs. What the hell was that? You just tried to fake me out?
Yo.
I'm not even a part of this. Oh, who's gonna throw it first?
Got you there.
Chris, your sister said you throw like a girl.
Huh?
Nikki says Chris throws like a girl.
Hey, Chris.
Hey, Mom!
Well, you guys have almost cleaned the car off now. That's good. If you throw that at me, I'm gonna kick you. Blue is not a part of this.
Got two. Oh, it fell out of my hand.
Hey, Chris.
I suck at this.
Oh, I'm tired now. I got snow in my mouth.
I'm tired too.
It went in my nose.
Why?
Alright, true.
She was not a part of this. She stopped.
Oh my God, you can see, look.
Ah, my eye. Look!
No, for real, you can see all the flakes are coming down.
Right? Here.
Oh, so I can...
Ah, my eyes.
Ah.
I'll point the camera
I
up. I don't have to look
got
at it.
No.
Oh, I'm thirsty. Ah.
Oh, I got some.
Oh, almost got it.
Let me get a bigger. I got one.
It's your turn, hon.
No.
Try to catch a big one.
Got one.
Look at the dog judging you.
It went in my throat.
That's what you're trying to get it to do, right?
Now I'm just flailing around on live.
Yep. look at them.
Super good exercise.
Look at them just judging.
Yup, like humans.
What are you
Come on now. Oh, my hat came off. Can you hold that for? Or yeah.
Needs to have help getting his hood up apparently.
No, you want ice, bro?
Yeah, snow.
Look at that, I just made ice.
Yeah, snowball blue. You probably want to play with it.
Here, never mind the dog. Beware of the...
Oh no! Oh, You're such a rebel, Mom.
Oh my God, I'm so sorry, Carl. I didn't know you were gonna break. Well, what's this one? Nothing inside is worth dying. See if I can
Let's
hit
this
it.
one break.
Is it gonna break?
I
Is
don't
it
know.
metal?
I'll try. Ready? No.
Nice.
It didn't break.
Nothing.
Oops. Is Nikki still there?
I think so. Actually, I don't think anybody's watching live anymore.
Auntie Renee was.
No, it says there's
Oh,
usually
right
has
now?
a number.
They're fed up.
They're done.
They're done.
Yeah, I made ice just now, so I'm not gonna throw this at a sign. Throw it at the tree. Yeah.
I was waiting for the tree to break for a second.
Waiting for me to whip it.
I can't go with this.
Yeah. You show that tree.
Fuck you, tree. What time is it?
I don't know, but Auntie Renee is watching.
Say hi, Auntie Renee.
I waved. Future site of the Philippine Desert Farms High Tower Hoop House. Right there. Ah, my eye. I have glasses on. Why is so much snow getting in my eye?
Wait.
A K-pop dancer.
Yeah. We get this like once a year.
The sheet?
No, the snow.
Oh, the snow?
get
Yeah, we got
snow
one
once a
chance
year.
every year.
Why this one did not come in Christmas? I
Right?
want to go there. It's muddy.
Oi, super muddy. Whew. We got a follower.
Hey, why is the bush went
Oi.
there?
Oh, it's because it was so windy, I bet. This all ended up over here.
Ah.
Oi.
Really?
Ugh. Oh my god, it's like one big one.
Yeah.
Look at this. That's the stem.
Put them over here.
It's one big one. Oi. You got it?
Yeah.
It's bigger than you are.
Okay. Enough. Happy New Year, everyone.
Happy New Year's from the Filipina Desert Farms of southern New Mexico.
Wow.
Hooah.